I've been using this Deco drill for about a month now. I really like it overall, so I just want to give you a quick look at it around and tell you some of the things that I like most about it and some of the things that maybe could be improved with it. First of all, it's a lot smaller, more compact than some of the larger drills, so that's really nice. I mean, it's really easy to carry around. It's great for smaller jobs, but it still has pretty good power. See, just like some of the bigger drills, you have your different speed controls here, and then your different power levels from 1 all the way up to 18. You have your drill setting. Pretty standard chuck, really easy. Loosen and tighten. 20-volt battery with the life indicator on the back. Really easily slides off. For charging, you can see when you take the battery off, this is how you charge it. Comes with this here. There's kind of ups and downs to this particular feature. One is that if you happen to lose your charger, fairly easy and cheap to replace it. Downside is that it's easier to lose this type of plug than the normal type of battery chargers you would have with some of the bigger ones. Then it also does come with these different bits, an assortment of flathead and Phillips bits. Comes with this extension sleeve here, set of bits here, these nut drivers here. So I think you have a 3/8, 5/16, 3/16, and a 1/4 inch. So you get all of this, and it also does come with a set of drill bits. I've used the drill bits. The drill bits themselves, they're pretty decent. They're not like amazing drill bits. So definitely the value I say is with the drill here itself. Pretty good amount of power for the drill itself, and it definitely for the price. Definitely overall, I say I do highly recommend it and think it's a good drill for the value.